Hi everyone, have you ever experienced production line shutdowns due to network latency? In modern industrial automation workshops, network stability is directly related to production efficiency. Scodeno Series 6 unmanaged switches feature integrated intelligent deep switches and support functions such as QoS, port isolation, and LAN, ensuring control cycle times of less than 1 microsecond of production lines. Here are the product highlights. Number 1. Intelligent deep switches support for millisecond level switching of QoS traffic prioritization, port isolation, and broadcast storm suppression. Number 2. Deterministic transmission guarantee, data forwarding latency of less than 5 microseconds, meeting the real-time control requirements of production lines. Number 3. Reduced deployment costs. Plug and play capabilities reduces deployment time by up to 80%. Whether in automotive manufacturing workshops or electronics production lines, the Series 6 switches can provide efficient and stable network support for industrial automation.